So what's going on, guys? I know I promised a PS5, and I have to honor that promise. The holidays, well, let's just say I got ripped off a few times. I'm not gonna go ahead and share my story. Boo-hoo! I don't want any sympathy on me. But if you look back there, we have a PS5 now. I'm gonna be honest. I did get it from a scalper, but this is a good to do scalper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and protect the name here, but you guys could see I paid him $600 for a PS5. We're gonna go ahead, get back to the studio, find the funniest comment. Remember, it had to be a funny comment. You got 24 hours to watch this video and reply back to me. I'm gonna have my email in the description. Reply back to me. We get this shipped out to you. And yeah, so stay tuned. We're about to announce the winner. The way I met the scalper, he's actually 15 miles away from me, and I needed the 5950X. If you guys haven't seen that video will be down in the description. It'll pop up in one of the cards above, but I never know which way they pop. I'm sort of kind of dyslexic. Not really, it's just the monitor is backwards. Anyways, PS5. I bought it for $600. If you think about it, $499 plus tax and then maybe expedited shipping, you're already looking at $550. So I got away with the steal. The man's a stand-up guy, unlike those shady ass scalpers that are out there trying to do 3 times MSRP. Now, you guys remember that video where I said I was going to give away a PlayStation 5? Well, I actually did give away one PlayStation 5, but that person did not give me a video. So I went ahead and got another one, and we're gonna go through the comments. I'm gonna pick out the funniest one. Applejack is gonna be, I don't know, he's gonna be the judge. We're gonna find a funny comment. I find that comment. You got 24 hours, and I hope you're watching this video. You got 24 hours to reach out to me. My email is in the description. With that being said, let's go through the comments. Let's see if we can make somebody's day. And we're gonna start with, let's talk tech ideas. I mean, you're the first comment I read, right? A man tells his doctor, "Doc, help me. I'm addicted to Twitter." The doctor replies, "Sorry, I don't follow you." I don't know. That's to the point. The man doesn't believe in getting ripped off by cable companies, but will get ripped off from a scalper. Ha ha ha. That shows how much he loves the subscribers. Yeah, I really do. Man giving up $1,000 to make someone's day? Yeah, I did. Did get a video. Now giving up another $600 to make someone's day. You better give me a video. What's up? So this is Abel Garcia Rojas. I love what's up. Just reminds me of that Budweiser commercial. You guys remember that, right? My mother always used to say, the older you get, the better you get, unless you're a banana. My banana's still right. Check ideas, tries again. This is his, I guess second or first submission. Helvetica and Times New Roman walk into a bar. "Get out of here," shouts the bartender. "We don't serve your type." You know, that is just so clean. You know, tech ideas, we know you came from like a really good household. God bless your parents, brother. Gabe M. I gotta call this out because Gabe is, yeah, that's my name. I put the sexy in dyslexic. Also, our names fit. I'm honestly not a joker, but I'm glad I found your channel. Good luck, everyone. Hey, Gabe, you know what? I appreciate that. Thank you, Mom. Your mom was awesome at picking your name. Let's see. Santos Jimenez. I saw 2 blind guys fighting. Should have seen the look on their faces when I said my money's on the one with the knife. Yeah, that's the best one so far. I can't get that imagery out of my head. Dallas says, "What did the elephant ask the naked man?" Okay, I know this is going sideways real quick. How do you breathe out of that thing? Hey, Patrick Stewart. There's another clean one. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. I don't know what website you pulled that from, but Google failed you, bro. What is it called when a robot eats a sandwich in one chomp? A megabyte. You nerd. Tech ideas again. Why do you tell actors to break a leg? Because every play has a cast. Bro, tech ideas. I love you, man. You're super clean, man. Like, God bless your parents. That is a private school education right there. Let's see. Yesterday, again, tech ideas. Dude. There's 144 comments in this thread, and tech ideas probably has like 10 entries already. Yesterday I saw a guy spill all his Scrabble letters on the road. I asked him, "What's the word on the street?" Yeah, word nerd, tech ideas. I'm telling you, man, I love you, dudes. Did you hear about the... Here we go again! Tech ideas! Did you hear about the claustrophobic astronaut? He just needed a little space. Dude, I'm gonna have to skip all your entries now, dude. And we gotta give other people a shot. So my girlfriend dresses up like a policewoman and says she's arresting me for suspicion of being good in bed. After 5 minutes, she drops all charges due to lack of evidence. Charlie. Applejack, I think that's a front runner. G-Tours, what up, Gabe? Damn, you got your hands on the PS5. I'd love to win this. Great video. With the proof, you got it. Gabe Nation. G-Tours, thanks, man. Come on, where's your entry? You've been a subscriber since day one, brother. Come on, where's your entry? Why does Nate Robinson refuse to buy PlayStation 5? Because after Saturday night's beatdown, he's officially an Xboxer. Okay, Mr. Garfield. I think that has to be right up there because I think that that's really creative, and I just love how he made relevance to what happened and what we're trying to do. That's cool. I'm not good at cracking jokes, but here's a try. Where does a waitress with only one leg go? IHOP. Applejack's is back there in pain, just trying not to laugh at every single one. But I think it's the pain in having to read some of these. Tech ideas once again. What's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know. The flag's big plus. So are the women. I never win anything. If I win this, I will egg all my family while they sleep. That's how confident I won't win. Damn. That's dedication. I think I want to give this away just to see that video of you egging your whole damn family while they sleep. Try to go through all the comments that really stood out. And tech ideas. I really feel like I need to have a consolation prize for tech ideas. So Applejacks, I can't decide between like the blind guys, one with a knife. Maybe the other one's got a gun. And Lord have mercy, everybody ducking. We got the Xboxer. And then tech ideas, man, you persistent, bro. Your consolation prize, a $200 cash app. Better screenshot that one. So Applejacks, what you think, man?
Honestly, I feel like you laughed the hardest with the
Two blind
people. Yeah.
Right. You want to see if we find that joke again and read it one more time? See if it makes me laugh again. So, Santos Jimenez. We're going to read this one more time because, damn, I saw two blind guys fighting. Should have seen the look on their faces when I said my money's on the one with the knife. I really think that was the funniest. Also, guys, in this video, I'll include a link to the video we're getting the comments from. I want you all to vote on what you thought the third funniest comment is. That person's gonna get a $100 prize. You also gotta screenshot that cash app, post it on Instagram, and tag me. Santos Jimenez, you got 24 hours. Or the Xboxer wins. If this does not get claimed in 24 hours via email, Mr. Garfield wins. And then Mr. Garfield, the pressure's on you because then you got 24 hours. And if you don't reply within 24 hours, then I have to give it away to Tech Ideas. I should have said that. I think Tech Ideas is going to go ahead and watch my last video on phone locations and go to your house and slaughter all of you guys because the man's just persistent. He's too much of a goody two-shoes. He reminds me of Joe from You, right? Just like some good old American clean joke kind of guy. And man, I love your persistence, bro. Anyways, this is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.